Unboxing Fugstars. Our celebrity star, in Fuggler style. Who is who? Let's dive in. Unboxing the first Fugster. Greazee. Funny ugly monster Fuggler. Let's find out who is he. There are 5 Fugsters in this Fuggler series. With this signature hairstyle, he is definitely Elvis Presley. Some say Fuggler is freaking ugly, others say it's funny ugly monster. The teeth looks like human teeth. Let's do a dental check. The nipples are Fuggler pink button. The buttonhole is the common color, beige color. Do you think this Elvis Presley Fugster is freaking ugly, or funny ugly? Unboxing the second Fugster. Gunky Goober. Does he look like Elton John, or Ed Sheeran? What is your vote? Leave in the comment below, I love to hear from you. Let's do a dental check. He has 1 molar tooth. The human-like teeth looks clean and healthy. The nipples are Fuggler pink button. The underpants has tiny tooth, and Fuggler logo printed on it. It has the common buttonhole, which is beige color. Does he look like Elton John, or Ed Sheeran? This orange beard looks like Ed Sheeran. But the glasses looks like Elton John. What is your vote? Elton John Fugster, or Ed Sheeran Fugster? Leave in the comment below, I love to hear from you. I vote for Ed Sheeran Fugster Fuggler. Unboxing the third Fugster. Rhymer McSlimer. Some says he looks like Incredible Hulk. Let's find out together. This Fugster definitely looks like Post Malone, with a signature tattoo on his face. The upper teeth have different color, similar as Post Malone.
Ah!
The gap is too tight. It's difficult to check his inner teeth. The teeth looks like human teeth. The nipples are Fuggler pink button. Post Malone Fuggler face is printed right in the middle of his underpants. That's silly funny. The buttonhole is the common color, beige color. Do you agree that this Fugster looks like Post Malone? Unboxing the fourth Fugster. Chunky McDunky. This Fugster is definitely Michael Jordon. This Fugster has a giant tongue, like Ooga Booga Fuggler. And two cute human-like teeth. Looks like a rabid Fuggler. The human-like teeth looks clean and healthy. The number 23 is one of the most iconic jersey numbers in sports history. It has the common buttonhole, which is beige color. Let's see if I can remove his jersey. Would you consider this Fuggler funny ugly, or freaking ugly monster plush? Fugglers started in 2010 when a British creator, Mrs. McDunky, found denture teeth on eBay and thought they would look funny on teddy bears. She began sewing them onto plush toys, and that's how Fugglers were created. Unboxing my last Fugster. Fleeting Fartlet. Does she look like Madonna, or Taylor Swift? What is your vote? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. Let's do a dental check. This Fugster teeth has very big gap. I think it need to put dental braces. The Fugster outfit looks more like Taylor Swift's outfit in her Eras tour. Her hair looks like Madonna. It has the common buttonhole, which is beige color. Some says, this Fugster looks like Lady Gaga, Britney Spears, Madonna and Taylor Swift. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell, to be among the first to watch our video. What is your vote? Does she look like Madonna, or Taylor Swift? Leave in the comment below, I love to hear from you. I vote for Taylor Swift. But I am not sure if she will be happy that this Fuggler is so ugly.